Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free WooCommerce Product Filters plugin. This plugin will help you create the filter option on your WooCommerce website. Let me show you an example of the filter option that you can add to your WooCommerce website. I'm on the shop page of this dummy WooCommerce website. In the left-hand sidebar, you will see the filter options that I have added. You can filter the products according to the price range. Then we have brands section. This is nothing but the attribute that I have added for the WooCommerce product. Then we have categories of the product, so I can filter using the categories of the product. The next option is the color, so I can filter the products according to the colors of the product. This is nothing but the attribute that I have added for the product. The next filter option is size and the type of product. So let's see, if I click on woman, it will show all the products which are listed for the woman category. So this is the category that I have selected, and you will see all the products are filtered accordingly. Now let's say I want the product in blue color, so I can select blue and it will show all the products which are using the same attribute blue. The next option is size, so I can select 30, 32 or different sizes and it will show the products according to that size. So you can add different types of attributes to your WooCommerce products and you can use those attributes as filter option. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how to use the other free WooCommerce Product Filter plugin. That was the Woof Products Filter for WooCommerce. This was the plugin Husky Product Filters. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. So you can watch both the videos and then decide which product filter plugin will be better option for your WooCommerce website. So let's see how we can install the free WooCommerce Product Filter plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and I'm using WooCommerce on this dummy website. I have created this dummy website using the Astra theme and the free Astra starter template. Let's go to the dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. The name of the plugin is Filter Everything. So search for Filter Everything. And this is the plugin that I'm going to use. Click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is activated and in the left hand corner you will see this option filters. Click on it. At the top you will see filter sets and settings. Go to settings. Now these are the basic settings of this plugin. These are the settings for the mobile devices. It will collapse the widget on the mobile device. It will also move the sidebar to the top of the mobile device. So we will go through these settings later. Let's go to filter sets. Now first we need to create a filter set. So let's click on add filter set and let's name it as product filter. So this will be the name of the filter set. Here you will see the post type to filter and you will see the drop down option. We are going to create a filter for the products. So select products and here you will see the option add filter. So click on add filter. Before that, make sure that you have the attributes set so that you can use the attributes for the filter. Let's go to products and attributes. Here I have three different attributes: brand, color and size. So these are the attributes of the products on the WooCommerce website. And if I go to products, you will see all these products here. All right, let's go back. We have selected products and here you will see the first option, filter by. Now from here you can select the type of filter that you want. For example, product type. So there are different types of products. Some are simple products, some are subscription products, some are variable products. So you can select the product type. I'm just going to select product type here and we will see how does this look on the actual filter. And here you will need to type in name or the title for this filter type. And you can also add the WAD name for URL. I'll show you how does this look. View in the widget, so it will show the check boxes. Now close this drop down and click on add filter again. So we will select another filter. The second will be product categories, so it will show the product categories and it will be just add the title categories, and this will also be check boxes. If you want radio buttons, you can also select radio buttons. Here you will see label list drop down, so I'm going to select the checkboxes only. Click on add filter, Click on drop down and select another filter option, that will be product brand, and this is from the product attribute. So you saw that we have the attribute brand, so it shows there. I'm just going to name it as brands. Add another filter. It will be product color. And next one will be product size. Let me close these drop down accordions. Alright, now let's click on add another filter, and from here I'm going to select the custom field, that will be custom field numeric, and the meta key for the pricing is price. So you can add the meta key here, price, and it will show the filter according to the price of the product. Just put the title and var name, and it will be a range, so we can select the range of the price. Alright, so these are the filters that we have added. We can move them up and down, so I can change the position of these filters. So let's select the type of product at the end. Then we have brands, categories. So let's leave it as it is. Below that we have where to filter. These are the options of the Pro. So we will install the Pro plugin later and we will see how does this work. Empty terms. So if there is no product in that particular category or in the term, it will hide that category. So as of now, I'm going to select never hide. Show counter, so it will show the number of products in that category or in that filter. Search field, apply button now, so I can select that, apply. So they will need to click on apply, and after that it is going to filter the product. So leave it as it is for now. Click on publish. Alright, now let's go to the website, and here we have the shop page of this website, and on this shop page you will see all the products, and we need to add the filter option in the sidebar. So what I'll do, I'll go to the customization of the shop. You can go to customize. Here I'm using Astra theme. In many themes you will see the sidebar in the widgets section, so you will need to customize the widget section. Here we have this under widgets. So let's go to dashboard, go to appearance and go to widgets. Now this is the main sidebar, and you will see another sidebar here, that is WooCommerce sidebar. And in many themes you will see the option to add this into the theme settings also. So you will need to figure out where you can go to customize the sidebar. In this case I'm going to add the block in the sidebar. So click on the plus sign and search for filters, and you will see the filters option here. Filter everything chips, filter everything filters. So this is the option that we need. Click on it, and it is at the bottom. You can name it as filter options, and let's move it at the top here below the search box, and click on update. Now let's open the website again. Go to shop page, and you will see the filter option that we have added. So the first option is the price filter. You will see the first option here. The next option is brands, categories. You will see that here, brands. Right now I do not have any product assigned to these brands, so it shows 0. Under categories you will see these categories are available: accessories, men, women. So if I select men, you will see all the products will be filtered for the men's product. I can uncheck it and it will show all the products. The next filter is color. If I click on aqua, it will show all the products from that particular color category. Now here you see this is the orange, but these are the dummy products into this dummy shop. Next option is size, so you can filter by size. Now here the last option, type of product, that is simple, grouped, variable. So these are the basic settings of the WooCommerce product. Alright, now I do have the premium version, so I'm going to install the pro version now. So let's go to plugins, click on add new, click on upload plugin and upload the pro version. Click on activate plugin and go to filters again And here you will see another option, that is SEO rules. So you can create SEO rules. You will see the SEO title, meta description. So these are the rules that you can create. Let's go to filter sets, and this is the filter set that we have created. Click on edit, and you will see all the options are still there. And where to filter, you will see that option was not available in the free version. So I think you do not really need to make any changes here. It works properly without making changes to these settings. Now here you will see empty terms. Right now it is set to never hide. So I'm going to select always hide and update it. Now what it will do, it will hide the filters which do not have any products. For example, this one does not have anything. So if I refresh it, you will see that option is no more there. Even the brands is also gone because there are no products set for any brand. So this is how this option works. So I'm going to make it never hide. Again the same option, hide the empty filters. Search field, apply button. Let's see how does this work. I have it enabled. So I'm going to update it. Let's go back to the shop page, refresh it. And here at the bottom you will see apply. So I can select, again I can select the second option, and from here I want black, blue. All right, and after that I'm going to click on apply. So after selecting multiple filters, I can click on apply and it will show the filtered products. If you want to reset, you will see the option here, reset. Otherwise you will see the option here, reset all. Now apart from WooCommerce Product Filter, you can use this plugin to filter posts as well as pages. So if you are running a blog on your WordPress website, you can filter using the categories of the blog post. So I think the free version of this plugin is one of the best free WooCommerce Product Filters plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.